In this video, I'll be talking about 4 AI business models that you can start right away that can do extremely well and you can make a lot of money. So you guys might be thinking like, Bhavish, most of the times you just talk about like running a normal traditional agency. How come you are talking about AI? So guys, specifically for GMS, as you know, that's my marketing agency, we have started offering something related to AI. And I guess the day I'm recording this video, today is 22nd of October. And in the first 20 days, we literally closed 9 clients for that AI offer. And again, I thought like, why not let's create a video on specifically AI, because we are closing a lot of clients and the opportunity is there, guys. The AI actually got popular last year, but now it's time for us people, it's time for you guys to actually start riding the waves of AI. There's something known as early movers advantage. What does that mean is when you adapt to something which is kind of popular, not that much in the market, it just recently launched, right? And people are knowing about it. And if you actually adapt it, get into whatever it is, you have early movers advantage. You would be setting your business, setting yourself to make more money rather than other people discovering the same thing which you discovered just right now, got into that, and you'll be making more money than other people out there. You might be wondering like, Bhavish, what exactly your offer for AI is? Obviously, I cannot disclose it here because we are doing pretty much good with that offer, but inside my school community, which you will find the link in the description, I have to maintain some sort of exclusivity, right? I have already disclosed that offer inside my school community and people have already started replicating it, but unfortunately guys, I cannot disclose it here. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see my screen. So I've already created this Google Doc for you guys, so I'll be sharing this Google Doc and you can find the link in the description itself. Alright, so the 4 business models that in my opinion can do wonders for you guys if you get into AI this month itself, right? The first one is AI powered cold outreach systems, right? You might be wondering, Bhavish, like what does that exactly mean? As an agency owner, I know the problems of being an agency owner, right? What kind of problems do we face while outreaching? We cannot outreach in volume, right? Sometimes we cannot personalize the messages. Sometimes it's hard for us to find leads or maybe scraping leads, right? Let's say we are outreaching on LinkedIn, so we have to manually follow up unless we are not using some sort of automation software on LinkedIn, right? This is where you guys can come in and you guys can create maybe some sort of AI tool where you will create like a done for you automation system or maybe done for you tool, obviously powered with AI, where you would be able to help a customer, maybe an agency owner, to scrape leads, to send the emails from exact same software, to verify the emails, to set up LinkedIn outreach, to set up Facebook outreach, to set up Instagram outreach. And by the end of that, like you can also add maybe automated follow-ups, because that's again very crucial. And last but not the least, like you can also give them some sort of CRM or let's say a dashboard where they can see like overall performance of all their campaigns, maybe LinkedIn, email, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, right? You can build out a SaaS, something like this on Go High Level, right? And if you aren't already using Go High Level, then maybe in the description you would be finding the link to it. So create an account on Go High Level and start setting up this kind of software. Let's say if you successfully build a AI powered cold outreach SaaS platform which includes every single thing like email, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, automated follow-ups, a dashboard, CRM, where everyone can get an overall performance update and whatnot, right? Just think how big that can be. Now you might be wondering, Bhavish, how should I price it? First things first, guys, this is a SaaS, and SaaS means like recurring revenue, right? And this is where you have to charge them as low as possible. As an agency owner, I know I would be more than happy to pay around $99 or maybe $199 for something like this, or maybe I can go as high up as $297. Let's say you have 10 good agency owners working with you, that's $2,970. What might be the next step? Maybe in a year or two, guys, of running the software, you can reach out to like a venture capitalist, VCs, pitch them your software. They would like love to buy your software, just exit it, and you would be exiting something like this for maybe millions of dollars. Now let's move to AI video avatar content creation. So this is something for the people like who are mostly into this thing, like content creation. So let's say you have a lot of content creation clients, or even if you're just starting out, right? But your main focus, your maybe passion is creating content and helping other content creators. So what you can do is you can use AI video avatar content creation tool. I think this is already in the market. What you can do is the main feature of this tool is like creating an initial AI model of the client using their existing video content, right? So what, let's say for example, I create content on Instagram, alright? So what happens is like this particular tool will create a AI avatar of me. It would be actually able to just create content for me without me actually creating that content in real life. So that AI model can actually create content for me. We can like feed all the scripts, the prompts, we can change the voice, we can experiment with each and everything, guys. Eventually you can start reaching out to like maybe coaches, consultants, content creators, maybe someone who is into podcasting and whatnot. Start reaching out to them, because guys, here's the thing, this AI trend recently came in the market and not a lot of people are aware of it, and this is where you guys come in. You start offering these tools to the people who actually need it, but they're not aware, right? For example, a content creator who is creating content on Instagram, right, and he is kind of bored, maybe tedious of creating content every single day. So you just need to reach out to these guys. So hey John, like we recently created a new AI powered SaaS platform where we will create an AI avatar of yours, and once it's created, you never need to create content by yourself. That AI powered avatar would be creating content for you. Sounds interesting? So the highest client that we actually closed for AI was like $4,500, plus on top of that the ad spin and whatnot. But that was insane, guys. Like I just get on these calls, I provide the I just get on these Zoom calls, I provide the demos. It's easy closes, I would say, because AI, again, most of the people are not aware of it, and this is why I'm saying, this is why I'm insisting, this is why I'm creating this video. Get into AI, because it would be changing everything for you. This was all about like creating AI powered avatar that you can offer to maybe coaches, consultants, podcasters, or maybe someone who is actively creating content and they're not aware of it. You can maybe start with India, because in India there are like a lot of content creators right now, or maybe you can start with US too. The third AI business model that I'll be telling you guys about would be AI content repurposing system. Guys, do you know like when Alex Hormozy actually got viral, the reason was like most of the people like was repurposing his YouTube videos. Do you remember that? And same goes with Andrew Tate. So every single one of the person on YouTube was like actually using their clip, their videos, and repurposing it on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube shorts and whatnot, and they were getting a ton of views. Now there are content creators, there are podcasters, coaches, consultants who are looking to repurpose their own content and put it on social media, but by the end of the day they're so busy that they don't have time to do that, right? And obviously if you start reaching out to them and start offering content repurposing, obviously it might be a bit hectic for you, because it does take a lot of time. You have to first download the YouTube video, then you have to look put the timestamps of like most important, good, catchy parts of the video, then you have to edit so it's a long process, right? So that's why this is where like AI content repurposing system comes in. Now this is more of a, again, SaaS idea for you guys. You have to create a software that can actually download the YouTube video, can actually transcribe the video, right, get all the scripts ready for you guys, and most importantly can create like automatic timestamps where the AI feels it's trending, it's catchy, it's captivating, it's tempting for the audience, and it can attract a lot of views. So now you have to come up with that software. Again, it's not going to be free, but once you build this, once you invest your money, time, you can again exit this for a lot of fucking money. And guys, most important feature of this SaaS that you should be actually focusing on is, once everything's ready, right, once you have edited the good parts of the video, now you have to automate the distribution process. Like just from one specific place you can distribute content among different platforms: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever it is, right, YouTube shorts. So again, another SaaS idea for you guys. You cannot offer this to like consultants, content creators. This is for someone who is actually running a big marketing agency, or maybe you can reach out to e-commerce brands. Why? Because as you guys can see here, like this AI kind of software would be helping brands to like improve their brand guidelines, style preferences, campaign objectives. Like mostly it has to do with visualization, right? Like it's mostly about like visuals, like graphics, right? So this AI would be actually helping with graphics, visuals, or maybe copywriting as well. Because you know what, guys, I've been recently talking to a lot of e-commerce brands, and these guys want to improvise their website, their visuals, graphics, copywriting on the page every single now and then. Like I'm not saying like every single week or every single month, but these guys stay updated. Maybe in every 6 months these guys hire someone like this who updates their graphics, their landing page, maybe website design, copywriting and whatnot. This is where this AI software can come in, and you guys can help them automate this entire thing. Again, you can price this SaaS platform for like maybe as cheap as $49, $47 a month, $99 a month, and start offering this to like e-commerce brands mainly, because these guys would be benefited out of this. As you guys can see here, you guys can also include a lot of different features here, like maybe a feature that can A/B test two different headlines, right, or two different sub headlines, A/B test two different graphics, two different picture, two different videos. I know it sounds super complex. There are specialized people for every specialized thing out there. You just need to like smartly play this, hire smart people out there, maybe try to partner up with them. Guys, here's the thing, when I was first starting out, I didn't have much money to invest in my business. What I used to do is I used to partner up with people like XYZ, would you be interested in partnering up with me? I'll give you 50% of the company, I'll keep 50%, and when it used to scale, we both used to make money. This is like one of the best ways, to be honest. If you're someone who doesn't have any sort of money to invest, start actually partnering up with people. And also guys, as we have created this Google Doc for you, I just want to make sure like we have took this information from Liam Otley, so obviously I have to provide the credits for that. Alright, so but anyways, I'll do share this Google Doc with you guys, and in my opinion, these are the top 4 businesses in the AI industry that you guys can get into and make ton shit of money. I guess guys, that's pretty much it for this video. So as you guys know, like I run a school community, and you would be finding the link in the description for that. And like the thing is guys, I've been creating content here for like maybe last 3-4 years now, and I've been giving away all the information for free, right? And people are getting benefited from that, right? I feel like I want to create a community that's more exclusive to certain people, because they're actually paying for it, right? And I'll be disclosing all of that information there. Because guys, thing is, when I used to just talk about solar leads, appointments on my YouTube channel, guess what? Solar niche got saturated, solar industry got competitive, right? Even my own students were becoming my own competitors, right? And I know that wasn't impacting us a lot, like maybe little to no impact there, but still they were like actually getting into solar, and they were like maybe taking 0.001% revenue to themselves, right? Where we could have like got that client as a solar marketing agency from India. That's why like I made this decision to build a good community of us agency owners who can just maybe collaborate, partner up, get on a Zoom calls and make money all together, right? And just for information, today's Tuesday, we'll be hosting a live masterclass on how to book SMMA appointments for your agency using Go High Level and SMS automation plus AI. So like every single day we host different masterclasses, and then tomorrow's Wednesday I'll be hosting my own masterclass there, maybe something related to like sales, how to close clients over Zoom calls. Because till this date guys, I've taken like more than maybe 900 to 1000 sales calls in my life, like almost in the last 5 years now, and this is like my 6th year of doing this, so it's going good. I'm happy. But anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know your feedback in the comment section, and I'm looking forward to creating more content for you guys. Keep hustling, and let's talk very soon.